Good night.
Night night.
Oh,
Night.
no,
Oh,
no,
you're
no,
gonna
no.
confuse her. Don't do
Oh,
that.
really?
Yeah, I have
The
to
light's
first,
on over there.
she has to have dinner and a bath and all that stuff.
Look at hands.
She gave you a kiss.
No.
No, your daughter gave you a kiss.
No, it was just her.
That was a kiss.
Okay.
These will go to your mommy later, somehow.
What's that? What's that, Shayna? Look. Shayna, look at me. Shayna, look at Nana. Where's Nana? Nice. Nice.
For the big cousin.
Nice. Nice.
Bubble.
Button. Belly button.
My
Whoops.
pants.
Go ahead, Sophia. Kick her.
Trying to flip
Whoa, let's turn over instead.
Hi.
And now my arm. Now my arm is stuck. What do I do?
She knows. She's good.
Forget it.
She's out. It's not stuck.
Yeah, it's not stuck.
Ooh.
Giraffe.
She's trying. She wants to crawl so bad. Taking a break.
What?
Taking a breather.
I think we're gonna have to go, honey. You ready to go home or to my house? Just to confuse everybody. You ready to go, Shayna? You wanna go home and have supper?
Look. Look.
What's that? Yeah, that song. Twinkle, twinkle. Oh, well, it's a new song.
That's it. Wonder what.
But this is a different song.
No, it isn't.
Oh, it's the same one?
Same song.
No, it's just
Above
doing
the
something
world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are.
Up above the world so high. She knows the up above. Up above the world so high.
Sophia, you're gonna break your arm.
Put that on your head. Where?
So cute.
Okay, Sophia. Shayna, you ready to? Humby? Oh, good girl. Okay, ready?
We're getting our pee-pees.